Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're about to do a get ready with me. Yes.
Welcome to episode 1 of Recreating Pinterest Hairstyles with me. I am not a professional hairstylist or none of that, as you can tell by that part. Anyways, I thought this hairstyle was super cute. I am a lover of space bun hairstyles, and me being postpartum, I haven't been like combing my hair a lot, and I just decided that, you know what, I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna start combing my hair more often, I'm gonna start dressing nicer, I'm gonna start being that girl, because a baby ain't nothing on me. I'm just kidding, I'm just messing around, but for real, I haven't been like, combing my hair and doing all that extra stuff that I usually do before I became a mom. So I decided that this year I will be taking a lot more time to, to learn how to actually do my hair, learn how to love my body, love myself, love me for me, and just getting up and doing my hair. Even though I was just going to the doctor for my 6-week appointment. No, I'm not 6 weeks yet, I'm 5 weeks, but they scheduled it early. Anyways, either way, it made me feel really good. Postpartum is a journey, and so is learning to love my hair again, one style at a time. As you can tell, I was having issues with my edges. Cannot do edges to save my life. That jam doesn't work. I don't know what edge control works for my hair yet. I tried so many already, but if you have a good edge control that could work on my type of hair, my hair is super thin, please let me know. After having 2 babies, so much changes, my body, my routine, even my hair. So taking this opportunity to show myself some love and get creative is really a big deal for me this year. I just want to be confident and more beautiful. I'm also realizing that on this journey, my hair deserves so much patience and love, just like me. Cause girl, we are sisters after all. Like, hello. And there you have it, a Pinterest inspired hairstyle that made me feel put together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.